x times 256 to the power of x equals 1. Guys, let's solve this together. The first step is going to be to divide both sides by x. So we have this divided by x equals 1 divided by x. Therefore, we have x cancels x, and so we will be left with 256 to the power of x equals 1 over x. Because x cannot be equal to 0, we're going to be dividing the power of both sides by x. So we have 256 to the power of x divided by x equals, this has a power of 1, so say 1 divided by x. X cancels x, and we are going to be left with 256 equals 1 over x, all to the power of 1 over x. So let's pause here, guys. Can you guess the next move in 3, 2, 1? Let's see if you guessed the next move correctly. So the next brilliant move here will be to rewrite 256 as 4 to the power of 4. Then this equals 1 over x, all to the power of 1 over x. If you know you guessed this next move correctly, type legend in the comments. So from here, it's quite obvious that 1 over x equals 4. So we have 4 equals 1 over x. Therefore, when you invert both sides, you'll see that 1 over 4 equals x. Therefore, x equals. So guys, is this a smart method? If you have a better and a faster method, let us know in the comments. Have a good day.